Hello and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily cancel the Shopify subscription as well as to delete your Shopify account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So I am in the main dashboard after login and sign up my account. So you can see that in the main dashboard on the top right side, there is a profile icon. Click on that and here you have to go to the manage accounts. It will be redirected to the new dashboard. Here you have to verify a few more things. The one more thing is to remove any login services you have owned. For example, you have another account linked with this account, for example your Google account, your Facebook account, or any other. The other thing is to remove your phone number. Before deleting your account, you have to remove your phone number and then you have to move to the security tab. Wait for the loading option. Here you have to remove your two-factor authentication. You have to pause this two-factor authentication. The next thing is you have to remove the devices. For example, you have logged into 2 or 3 Chrome websites or you have logged into other mobile accounts. So you have to log out as well and also delete that and then move back to your main dashboard. Now in the main dashboard, you have to go to the settings. Here you can see in the settings you have to go to the apps and sales channel. Click on that and here you can see you have two main subscriptions, point of sale and online store you own. So you have to delete or uninstall that so that the credit card is not charged for these applications. So you just have to uninstall. Click on that, check it and uninstall. That's it. And now after that you can also uninstall this as well later on and then move you to your billing option. The other option is for the process of canceling the Shopify account. Here you have to cancel if you own any billing payment options, for example your credit card, vault or PayPal account. You just have to remove the credit card information and you also have to remove your subscriptions. As I am using my trial options, so there is no credit card and no payment options. Now after removing your credit card, you have to move to the plans sections. Here you know that you will be owning any plans. For example, you have owned a 1 month plan or a yearly plan, so you have to cancel that. For now I am holding a trial plan, so let's try to cancel that. Click on cancel trial. Select the reason, for example I was just testing Shopify out, and then optional, then click continue and then enter your password and then deactivate. And there you go, your account has been deactivated successfully. Now your account is deactivated. This says that the information is stored for 2 years. Now you can see other plans to start again or you can change other options. You can also view your past billings, so now you can easily log out your account as well. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe and share the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.